If he chins me, I'll crawl across the ring on my knees and kiss his 2 feet. Because he's obviously a better man than me, and a better man than I've ever been. Listen, I don't make excuses. If I can beat Francesco Pianeta, I'll beat another boxer. Big deal. But if he beats me, he's going on to something very big. It's life-changing for him. And if I can't beat Francesco Pianeta, then I'm going nowhere. Because it's not a world title fight, we know that. It's a comeback fight. Francesco Pianeta is a very dangerous opponent, but me, being in my mind, I think I'm the greatest heavyweight that's ever been born, so I should handle Francesco Pianeta. And whoever else, Deontay Wilder, Anthony Joshua, whoever else, all the bums out there. To me, they're only bums anyway. They're all bums. So if I can't beat him, I'm not going to beat the rest of them. And that's what it is. I'm going to go out there and smash him to pieces, make Italian sausage out of him, and that's it. Spicy meatballs. I'm going to kick his ass, Seabass! Listen, if he can beat me, he ain't going to beat me. I'm not even going to say if. I'm going to give him the best hiding he's ever had. You're going back to Germany, smashed to pieces.